Okay, sorry, I had to split the video up, but my time ran out on the last one. So, we were talking about plugins, and I wanted to show you some of my installed plugins here, and what you can do with plugins. Now, when you first start your website, you'll be given some plugins. Like, for instance, I was given this one, a Kismet, which blocks spam comments. Another one I was given is this exclude pages from navigation, and I use that very much. Another one was this Jetpack by WordPress.com, which apparently is supposed to be very useful. Okay, but some of these other ones here I downloaded myself, so you'll be getting some of these plugins when you go through and get your WordPress account all set up with your hosting company and all that. Okay, but I wanted to show you some of the things that you can do with plugins. Okay, so let me go to an example page and show you. Let's see here. I'll preview this. Yeah, nope, doesn't like that. Let's preview this one as a post that I'm working on. It doesn't like that either. Alright, then I'll find a page where I can show it to you then. Alright, so let's click on one of my recent posts, Effective Marketing Strategies Part 3. Okay, and let's go on down. And I wanted to show you this. You see these icons here, right? Share if you like. This is a fresh post, so there's not going to be any tweets or likes or anything like that. I have to get on that. But anyways, these buttons here, they can click on these buttons, viewers, and they can essentially connect to their social media accounts and share what they've learned from this particular web page. Now, when I first started on WordPress, I didn't have this up. I had to go to my plugins. Let's see if I can find it here. Where are you? I'll just go back to it here in my installed plugins, and let's see. I had to download this right here, my Sociable plugin. That's what it's called, a Sociable. And as you can see on this side here, you have options for it, so you can go in, go through, and edit all of that stuff once you download the plugin. But the point is, some of these things you'll have to download yourself. Like, for instance, I had to download WP Edit because I wanted to edit my web pages the way I wanted to do it instead of just using the basic font that they have. So let me show you how to do this. Alright, so you go to plugins, the plugins section, click on add new. Okay, and let's say you're looking for a particular plugin. Let's say you want to put a button on your site, so you type a button. A lot of times you don't know what kind of plugins are out there. You have to do your research. Okay, and here's some example of some plugins, and most of these are free. You can just click on install now and they don't charge you. There's no place they can put in like your credit card information anyway, so they're not going to charge you. But that's how you would do it. Let's go back one thing. Here's one of the most popular ones. Is Kismet is very useful. It stops spam comments from entering your WordPress page, and a lot of people are looking to throw out spam. Jetpack by WordPress.com, and there's a lot of different plugins. There's thousands of WordPress plugins, and it tells you really how many people have installed this and are currently using this right now. So you can see by the installs and the ratings how well of a job a particular plugin does. Okay, so that's really it for the plugins. As you create your website, you'll be looking for plugins for different things. I'll show you one more example. For instance, for my math website, I like to write in a typesetting program called LaTeX. So I'll throw that down there and show you what they got there. And what's nice is I can go through and click on this one here, install now, and then once I do that, then I can typeset in LaTeX and make some nice pretty equations and stuff like that for my math website. Okay, so like I said, as you're building out your website, you'll be finding that you need different things, and you can find a plugin for practically anything nowadays. If you don't find a plugin for something that you're looking for, chances are it's in development. Somebody's making it now, so you can find that there and then use it on your website. Okay. There's no universal way to use a plugin. It just depends on the plugin. So you get the plugin. Once you've installed it, then you would go to your section and maybe click on View Details to see how it works, or you can search online to see how it works. And as you notice, some of these have like settings and edit. Some of them don't. Some of them have their own options. Like this one here has a GoPro button, so it'll give me more options if I decide to go and actually pay for WP Edit Pro. So, like I said, there's no universal way of using it. You just have to play with it for a little bit. Okay? So we've talked about things you can find in the dashboard, your posts and pages. No real difference between your posts and pages when you're making your pages and stuff like that. The appearance, like I said, you'll be using that probably first because you want to find a theme, you want to customize it, and go through your widgets. Okay? And use your settings and stuff like that. Go through your settings, each one of these. And there's a nice tutorial on Wealthy Affiliate that shows you exactly what your settings look like for optimal results for your website, which is great. So you can check that out too. You can check out my Wealthy Affiliate review if you want to learn more about that. And some of these custom menus, as you install your themes and you go through and get more plugins and stuff like that, these options will show up and you can edit those. Okay. I have a little comment section here, and as you gain popularity, you'll be getting comments as well. So that's pretty much it for an introduction to WordPress. I hope this helped you guys learn about WordPress and all that. And there's errors that come up when you're dealing with WordPress, but this by far I've found is the simplest blogging platform you can use online, and I recommend it to anybody who's willing to jump on and make their own website. It really becomes intuitive after you use it for just a little bit. So, if you found this on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know anybody who needs help with WordPress or just needs a basic tutorial, send them on over to the site. If you found this on my website and you want an explanation of other things, or you found this tutorial useful, please leave a comment in the comment section. We'll talk.